Welcome to Farmstead 12, one of the sweetest little neighborhoods right in the heart of Northwest Crossing. This is a just under 1,200 square foot, 2-bedroom, 2-bath home with a reverse living layout that is just perfect for taking in this view and enjoying the common space. Let's go inside and have a look. As you first enter the home, you really appreciate all of the craftsman features and little details and how beautifully staged and warm and comfortable this home is. Right here on the main floor is one of the bedrooms. It could be an office or it works great as a guest bedroom. And it also has a full bath and the laundry room, which has a true mud room going out to the garage. The second floor of this home is a lightened area with great vaulted ceilings and a nice double door that opens to the deck. It also has wonderful lighting and fixtures and finishes. And up here is the primary suite that has a tile shower, a little niche for work, and then finally excellent views of Mount Bachelor. This neighborhood offers a truly idyllic lifestyle with its great covered area that's perfect for entertaining, a nice fire pit, a community garden, an expansive grass space, and it's right next to Discovery Park and Northwest Crossing with all the shops and eateries that it provides. This is a fantastic home and we really invite you to come have a look. Give us a call today.